Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome if you are new. My name is Charlene, and on this channel, we talk about everything BFL, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and stay a while? In today's video, we are doing my haul that I picked up from Victoria's Secret. They had a scent event going on not too long ago when you can get perfumes buy one get one free. They had a panty sale going on. They also had a 5 fragrance mist sale going on. I think it was like 5 for $31 or something like that. So I did pick up some of the items, and if you want to see what items I brought home, then just stay tuned. All right, so let's start out with some of the backup items that I got, because since they was having the fragrance sale on the body mist as well through Pink and Victoria's Secret, I took advantage of getting a couple of the backups of things that I said I wanted to get backups of after testing them. If you have not checked out my Victoria's Secret or Pink Keep or Declutter series that I had going on about items that I was going through the collection, seeing whether I was keeping them or letting them go or whatever, you would have heard me talk about some of these items were backup worthy, that I wanted to get another one of them. So with that being said, one of the items that I got a backup of was this buttery sugary. This has a flaky croissant, maple butter, and vanilla sugar. So this one here, got a backup of this one. It smells delicious. Not gonna go into too much details with it. Check out my top 10 fall to winter series. Check out the actual videos when I'm talking about these. I've already discussed these plenty of times. This was part of their cream collection that they just released. This is the Fresh and Clean. This is the one that has the lemon meringue with marshmallow fluff and vanilla snow. It is delicious. And from their patisserie collection, I really love this Biscotti Delight. I did not pick it up originally because it was online that I did my original order, and I did not know if I was gonna love this one or not. But I decided to go in store and then actually put my nose on it and loved it, especially after I wore it. So this one has sweet pistachio, pink sugar, and vanilla glaze. So that's this one. And while I was with that one, I went ahead and got the lotions to it because I really did enjoy that one. So I got the fragrance lotion, 2 of those in the Biscotti Delight. I did get a lotion in the jam cookie as well as in the coconut cream, because these were all favorites of mine. And with that being said, I got backups of the coconut cream. This was my fave. This one has puff pastry, whipped buttercream, and salted caramel. So I have backups of those. And one of the items that I also have was the Bare Vanilla Bliss. This was my favorite from that Bliss line, the Bare Vanilla one. So I wanted the fragrance lotion in that one. And I got a fragrance lotion in the Amalfi, the Bombshell Amalfi. This here, they don't have the perfume anymore in this one, but this was a beautiful scent that they released this summer that has that lemon scent to it. So with that, I got those. So those were all backup items, and this wasn't a backup. I just got this for the first time. And the Bare Vanilla Bliss, I don't believe I had a lotion in that one. And the other thing I picked up, you guys, was this. I was looking at this, and I had it in and out of my cart so many times, and I was wondering, oh, what is this? And it looks like it has some of like the old time favorites. It's what it's saying. So this is what it looks like. But it says on here, these OG pink scents are home. It has cherry good, pink macaron, very vanilla, bronze coconut, Warm Cookie, Iced Coconut, Sugar Sky, Sunset Gelato, Vanilla Swirl, and Gumdrop Beat. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to try some of their older scents that are obviously faves that they brought back in these mini sizes, which is perfect for someone with my size collection. I get to test them all without having too much to deal with. But I picked this up. I thought this was super cute. A nice option, especially for some of those OG scents. Like it's like their version of the Bring Backs, and I love it. But I also picked up some of the items from the Victoria's Secret body care section. They released this new Fresh Fig and Sage one. I love a good fig, so I want to give this a go. See what I think about this one. So this one is, it says Feel Serene with a green tea extract. So it has fig and tea. And I wonder if this is going to remind me of my indigo, because that also has fig and tea in it, and I love that perfume. But this has sage in it, so we'll see. I've been heavily using my coconut milk and rose body mist, so I got a backup of this one along with its body oil and its body lotion. This one here is a beautiful sweet rose and coconut scent that's, like it says, feel calm. Very nice, especially for the evening. And the other one that I got a bigger size in was the Vanilla Orchid and Sandalwood. I got that and its body oil as well. So this body oil along with this, and this one says it has, like I said, Vanilla Orchid and Sandalwood. It says Feel Comfort on it. And last but not least, as far as body mist go, is I decided to try this Bare Vanilla Joy. This is a shimmer mist. I've never tried any of their shimmer mist, but I figure if I try one, I should get one with the Bare Vanilla in it. It has Gleaming Vanilla and Joyful Jasmine. So that's what made me go ahead and pick this one up, because I thought since it has the vanilla with the jasmine that I should like it. So we'll see what I think of this shimmer formula, because I haven't tried that yet. Perfumes. So I got two of the perfumes. The last time they had a scent event sale, they had it on the 1.7 fluid ounce only, but this was a buy one get one free on all their perfumes. So one of the perfumes that I got last time that I haven't done a video on yet because I just wore it the other day, Sugar Fleur. I only was able to get it in the travel spray last time. I wasn't able to get it in a 1.7, but needless to say, I got it in a bigger size now. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce or 100 ml. So I will tell you more about this fragrance whenever I upload that video. And then they just released this one, Bombshell Soiree. It says alluring and decadent. Bombshell Soiree captures the radiance. And it says, what else? Jeweled Pear, Velvet Peony, Sparkling Woods is in here. So this is also a 3.4 or 100 fluid ounce. So we're going to do a wear test with this one as well. So stay tuned to the video for Sugar Fleur, video for the Soiree. We're going to see what we think of this new perfume from Victoria's Secret. It's a beautiful bottle. They really are advertising this one online. They actually are doing like a revamp of their Bombshell bottles. I saw that online. So this is beautiful. It's a beautiful box, the way they got it presented and everything. So we're going to see what I think of that one. But that is everything that I picked up from Victoria's Secret during their scent event that they held again. Buy one, get one free, like I said, on their perfumes in general. So 1.7 or 3.4 ounces. Then they had their 5 fragrance mist sale, their body care on sale, had clothing on sale, they had panties on sale, they had the whole shebang on sale. So I did get a few items And that's what I got, you guys. So tell me what you think down below. Did you take advantage of that scent event sale as well? If you did, what did you pick up? And I'm sure they'll pop up another sale or two here before the end of this year. So put anything that you have on your list and take advantage of it when it is on sale. That's everything I have for you today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.